So the Omoeon Dentures is this at-home denture set that claims to give you a full set of medical-grade teeth with strong suction and easy customization for under 60 bucks. Now, I've been checking out these budget dental options online for a while now. Here's my honest review of Omoeon Dentures. I'll cover the main features like the promised ADA certification and comfort fit, the pros, cons, and my overall opinion based on real checks. No hype, just the facts. Now, Omoeon Dentures looks like a dental product at first glance. The site sells these full denture sets with strong hold and no adhesives needed, and all the usual features you'd expect in that affordable denture niche. The branding talks about advanced AI customization and premium materials, which sounds perfectly normal. But once you start checking the company's footprint across safety tools and review platforms, well, things shift pretty quickly. When you run the site through Scam Advisor, it actually comes back with a trust score of 47 out of 100. Now, Scam Advisor flags it for hidden owner details, low traffic rank, and being super young at just 1 month old. All of those details together push it into that medium risk area right away. Now, other security tools like Grid&Soft basically come to the same conclusion. The site is marked as very low trust with 11 out of 100, mainly because of the young domain, limited content, and blacklisting by scanners. And when a denture seller claims ADA approval and miracle suction, but has hidden ownership and no verifiable contacts, well, that alone becomes a reason to stay far away. Then there's the review situation. Trustpilot doesn't have any reviews for Omoeon, sitting at 0 feedback overall, but scattered mentions on YouTube and blogs call it out as poor quality with bad fit and misleading ads. The pattern is pretty consistent. People are warning others not to order. Now, looking into scam reports, sites like Malware Tips and Grid&Soft expose it as a potential scam with fake claims, reused templates, and no real dental backing. Basically, multiple 2026 investigations label it high risk, with warnings about wasting money on junk. So when you put everything together, the low 47 trust score, very young 1-month domain, 0 real reviews, blacklisting on security tools, and widespread scam exposures, well, the picture clearly leans toward being high risk. But at the end of the day, it's still up to you if you want to try their products. Just remember to protect yourself and always use a secure payment method.